Hello dear students, today we will do the topic diary entry. What is diary? Diary is a kind of personal document that record an individual's account of a day of his or her life. How to write a diary? Write the current day, date, time at the top left corner of the page and then mention salutation. In salutation, you can write Dear Diary. Then start the content with general sentences. Here, some steps are given that we should follow whenever we are going to write a diary. At first, use first person in writing diary, such as I, we. It will make you feel the part of the story. Next, you can write about an event, your momentary feelings, actions of the day in detail. Understand the diary as a living creature, your best friend or witness. Trust your diary and share everything, even your biggest secret also. Conclude with final remark or future course of action. Next, write your diary at night because in that way you can describe the entire day which you have felt and done in the whole day. Next, always write a diary in informal language, never use formal language. Tense, which tense you can use in this? Use past tense, present perfect or future tense. In this way you can complete your diary. Their format is given. How can you write a diary? At first you have to write date. You will write date. At first you have to write month name, then date, then comma, then year. After writing date you have to write day. In day you can write the full name of the day and then time. In time you have to write only night time. After completing date, day and time you have to leave a line and then you have to write salutation. In salutation you will write dear diary. After that again leave a line and then content. In content you can describe your day, events and feelings, and which person you will use in this, that will be I and we. And tenses you will use in this: past, present perfect and future tense to describe the future plans. After that you have to leave a line and then you have to write your name. In name you are not allowed to use surname, you have to write your name only.